Let's start with the basics. The credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, that is, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. It typically ranges from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders, which can lead to better loan terms and lower interest rates. There are 5 main factors that determine your credit score. Payment history, 35%. This is the most significant factor. It reflects whether you've paid your bills on time. Missed payments, bankruptcies, and foreclosures can significantly impact this part of your score. To maintain a healthy score, make sure to pay your bills promptly and avoid late payments. Credit utilization, 30%. This measures how much of your available credit you're using. It's calculated by dividing your credit card balances by your credit limits. Ideally, you should keep your utilization below 30%. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. Length of credit history, 15%. This factor looks at how long you've had credit accounts. A longer credit history is generally better because it provides more data on your borrowing habits. If you're new to credit, start by maintaining accounts over time and avoid closing old accounts, as they contribute positively to this aspect. Types of credit used, 10%. This considers the variety of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, mortgages, and installment loans. Having a mix of different types of credit can be beneficial as long as you manage them responsibly. New credit, 10%. This refers to how many new credit accounts or inquiries you've made recently. Opening several new accounts in a short period can be a red flag to lenders and might lower your score. Apply for new credit sparingly and only when necessary. Improving your credit score isn't an overnight process, but with consistent, responsible behavior, it's definitely achievable. Start by paying bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding unnecessary new credit inquiries. Remember, your credit score is a snapshot of your financial health and plays a crucial role in many financial decisions. So, take control of your credit today and watch your financial opportunities grow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, a thumbs up and a subscribe would mean a lot for me. Don't miss out on future content by hitting the notification bell. As you can see, this channel is new, so your feedback and comments are invaluable. See you next time.